Hi, this is Jana. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm telling you what, Aaron's been after me. Mama makes shells, Mama makes shells, Mama makes shells. My husband, Mama makes shells, Mama makes shells. So we are having some pasta shells, and this is very easy. And I'm going to, at some point in time, do my long version. But Aaron said, it's summer, Mama. Do stuff for fast for people. They like fewer ingredients and faster, the better. This is my homemade. You can zoom in on this, Aaron. This is my homemade pasta sauce. And so get your 9x13 pan or whatever size you're going to use. And whatever pasta sauce you're going to use, if it's just a jar, whether it's Jana's special sausage and beef, Italian pasta sauce, whatever, okay? Put some in the bottom. So if you're going to use a jar and you have one jar, then put a little bit in the bottom and then save to put some to put on top, okay? And so I sprayed it with and then you can, at your store, some big box stores carry them, but they are shells filled with ricotta cheese and Romano cheese. It's a blend, it's soft. It's not
She
stringy.
made this growing up all the time.
Yeah.
So good.
And we did the fast version because I was a busy mom of 3 kids and we were on the go all the time.
She used to get them from Swine's, the old company.
Yeah, there was a food delivery service that came to your house and they had really good shells. And so I would, whoopsie daisy, oop a daisy. And I would buy those and we would have these for a fast and easy meal, but I like to make them myself too. And you can get the big round ones or you can get the shells like this.
You got an assistant trying to help with that little cheese
yeah, we
dough.
have Jack and Bailey down here. I dropped a little piece of cheese and I think they're on the hunt now.
They are.
And so however many, listen, if it's just you, then open up a jar, pour it a little bit in the bottom of a baking dish, put however many in you want, put a little sauce on top. This one got shy of some cheese on that one.
Got gypped.
Oh, my husband will eat a shell. Don't worry, full or empty, he'll eat it. He's my pasta man, just like that. So 2 of these does 2 packages of that brand, does a 9x13 pan. And I need a towel here, Aaron. Thank you. Just schmutzed my hand. Jack and Bailey are still hunting below me here. And so now I'm going to take a little bit of sauce. And this is how I do it, but you do it the way you want it. And it's like, this is one of those recipes that you just kind of forget about, unless you're a Italian, probably. But it's like, oh my gosh, I forget about these easy meals that are so wonderful. And my homemade sauce, as you can see, it makes a huge pot, but then guess what you do? You put it in containers and put it in your freezer. And then you have lots of meals for busy days, and you can cook up a pot of spaghetti and put this on it. You can make a pot of lasagna, or a pan of lasagna. I think I have my lasagna recipes already down there. And so just like that, so go look on my YouTube channel and you will find my recipe for my homemade sauce. And it's semi-homemade. So it's easy. It's opening up cans and jars and mixing them all together.
Mr. Jan's Kitchen loves it.
And Mr. Jan's Kitchen loves it. He likes plain tomato sauce, but when it comes to lasagna and dishes like this, he'll eat the meat sauce for sure. So.
Bailey's still tracking that piece.
Okay, and this is fresh grated Parmesan, but you can use the dry shaker version too, okay? And then if you want to, if it's your family, you can go through, I'm just gonna put very light cheese on it right now because I can go back right before we pull it out of the oven. I'm gonna put a little bit more cheese on it.
Cheese tax.
Cheese tax for Aaron. Okay, just like that. And some cheese tax for Aaron. There we go. And Jack's below me going, cheese tax for Jack. So, all right, I'm popping this into, you can put it in a 350 to 375 degree oven. I'm gonna leave it uncovered, but you can cover it for about 20 minutes and then uncover it for the last. I'm gonna put it in just like this because we kind of like ours a little brown on top. So we'll be back. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, the shells are done. Cook yours according to your package directions. There's different brands. And Aaron and Daddy both said, little more cheese, little more cheese. So I'm going to put this on, pop it back in the oven, just until the cheese is melting and bubbly, and we'll be back to serve this up. We're back. Everybody's happy. They're hungry. They're ready to eat on this beautiful beginning of a weekend. And so what we're going to do is get some of these shells, just like that. Ooh, look at the cheesiness.
Mr. Janet Kitchen gonna be happy.
Mr. Jana's kitchen is tail wagging over there. I'm going to take some of this sauce.
Sorry.
Yeah, take some of this sauce. Add it on. Do a little flip here. That cheese under there, because I know he's going to want that. And we have a napkin. And he loves basil. Clean up my plate for him. Make it look pretty for him. He works so hard. He makes everything look so nice and
It's
works
from
so
our
hard.
garden, the basil.
Yeah. So, thank you for stopping by Jana's Kitchen. I'm so thankful that you are going to make these delicious shells. And make sure you look into the description box for the link to my homemade Italian sauce. Thank you. See you soon. And don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe, and just share it with your friends. And hit the notification bell, because that way when my videos come up, you will know. Thanks.